are pleased to show you the 2015 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, panic alarm, overhead console, carpeted floor mats, cargo net, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.